These custom rimless glasses cost $2,000. And these bio-based frames from Eco Eyewear cost less than $400. And they come with a magic trick. So I flew across the world to Morocco to figure out whether you should spend big or small on your next pair of glasses. And Morocco, with its bustling streets, hectic markets, incredible scenery, and awesome desert, proved to be the perfect testing ground for these two completely different looks. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And a big part of my job is therefore testing different styles of glasses in different environments. To begin, let's talk about the details of these two frames, starting with the Eco Eyewear River. These frames are actually made from castor seeds and recycled metal, and for each pair you buy, they plant a tree. So that makes these glasses the world's first carbon positive eyewear, but actually stylish as well. Thanks to the integrated magnetic sun clip, they're a genuine 2-in-1, and that makes them arguably the best value glasses in the world. Meanwhile, I present to you hand-forged, made in Japan, gold-plated, with sterling silver embellishments, complete with custom shape that we created, Habu rimless from Esmont. It doesn't get more special, more rare, or more luxurious than this. And these frames just exude class, sophistication, and they're simply a beautiful object, something to admire and appreciate, much like the scenery in Morocco. The beautiful detailings on this building don't add any functional purpose, but yet you marvel to look at them, and complete with their purple photochromic lenses that literally turn them into sunglasses when you step out into the sun. The same is true of these glasses. The Eco pair gives a much more casual, laid-back, down-to-earth look. Maybe a more everyday look, you could argue. And in my opinion, undeniably, they are cool. Yet the best thing about them, surprisingly for the price, is the Zeiss ClearView lenses that they house. ClearView was a breakthrough technology from Zeiss that allowed them to make super clear, super sharp lenses at an affordable, mass-produced price. And amazingly, that is included within the package of $400, meaning that you see this scenery as clear as possible. And whilst the ClearView lenses have 100% UV protection built in, they don't necessarily stop harsh light from the sun. That's where the magnetic sun clip comes in. It's extremely thin, comes with its own pouch, and just simply snaps onto your frames. What's more, that sun clip is polarized, and polarized lenses eliminate blinding glare that you get from reflective surfaces such as water, like you see here. But the Esmont glasses have a magic trick of their own. These do have a slight tint on the lenses, it's very slight indoors, but when you step out into bright light, the lenses activate very quickly to a purple colour. And the beauty of photochromic is that they adapt to your surroundings. So in this case, it's just a little bit of bright ambient light around, and you can see the lenses have almost immediately activated to a kind of semi-tint. So these are neither sunglasses nor clear glasses at the moment, and in some situations that is just perfect. But given the right light intensity, they will turn into full sunglasses, and then you get this deep, rich, vivid purple colour which is incredible, which not only makes them look super special and unique and tremendously luxurious, but it's also a lovely colour to see through. There's a reason why I say this is my favourite lens tint, because it really does enhance things around you in a subtle and relaxing way. There's a slight boost in contrast, but overall it's just comfortable, makes everything look new and fresh and rich. The sun clip on the Eco frames, on the other hand, is a simple grey tint. So that will not enhance things at all, it will just darken. So when you're seeing through that lens, it's a very flat image, arguably more natural, but very flat, but just nothing special in my opinion. And you do have to physically attach the clip and detach the clip, whereas with the photochromic lenses, they do the work for you. So here, for example, in this scene, I step out of the bright sun where the lenses are full sunglass shade, and already by the time I've reached the bottom of the stairs, they're back in that half tinted phase. Now, because there is ambient light here, they're going to take longer to actually return to fully clear. In fact, they probably wouldn't return to fully clear in this scenario. But if you were to step into a darker room without any UV, they will go back to almost fully clear. And now for the $2,000 question. Which ones are better? Or more appropriately, which ones are worth the money? I do have to say that honestly it was tempting to wear the Esmonts all the time because they're so beautiful, but I forced myself to wear the Eco frames, and when I was wearing them I was not aware of them. They're very comfortable glasses, very lightweight, lighter than acetate due to the bio-based material. I got compliments on them. I think they look very sharp. They look like, a stylish pair of glasses. They don't look like a cheap pair of glasses. And when you package that in with the sustainable element of them, the great value of course, the sun clip, and the Zeiss ClearView lenses, it's a pretty unbeatable package. And your head would have to go for the Eco Eyewear River. But we don't buy everything with our head, and in fact we buy most things with our heart. And my heart has fallen in love with the Esmont Habu rimless. As I mentioned before, I just think it's a more sophisticated look. It's a slightly more mature look. It has a quiet confidence to it, because these are not just like everyday glasses. And knowing the story behind them, the fact that they were created by a second generation pilot who used all of his passion for aviation history, quality, engineering to make something one of a kind, you just have that emotional connection with them, which I didn't get with the Eco pair. They were a pair of glasses. They were a good pair of glasses. Wearing the Esmonts was an event. Holding them in my hands and admiring them was an event. And putting them on was an occasion. These aren't glasses for everyone. These are glasses for people who explore, who not only want to visit places, but want to experience them, and experience them in the best way possible. For people who take nothing for granted, who want to experience every moment to the maximum, with glasses that enhance the way they look and enhance the way they feel.